What do you mean that one's not doing so well? Why is it not doing so well?
Because that one has its petals out.
That one has its petals?
Doesn't.
And how come it doesn't have its petals?
Because I think
Why?
centrifugal force.
Say that again.
Centrifugal force.
No, because it had petals, but the petals have dried up and fallen off because the flower is all done. And look, see, these are the ray flowers that are right here. See? And once they're pollinated by the bees, these parts fall off, and look at what's under here. What are these?
Seeds.
The seeds, the sunflower seeds. And the birds will come and eat some of those, and we can harvest them and eat some too. Or we can plant them for next year. That, and I take that, and then I go wink.
Oh, it's a flower fish.
Does he need a nose?
Hey, there's some bugs on your flower.
Yep, there's an earwig.
But look at this one, it's growing all funny like. There's a big bug.
That one is fasciated.
What's fasciated?
Fasciated is when the apical meristem of a plant has a growth defect. It means it grows funny and crooked.
How about we